Hi everyone. In the last episode, we spoke about simple sentences. Basically, a sentence is a group of words which has a complete sense of meaning, having subject and predicate of its own. We spoke about dogs bark is a sentence. Hungry dogs bark in a loud manner is also a sentence. Both of these are simple sentences. Today, we are speaking about complex sentences. Let us go to an example. Dogs bark when they see their master. Dogs bark in a loud manner when they see their master. What is the difference happen to this sentence now? There are two clauses now. In simple sentence, there was only one clause, only one subject, only one predicate. Now we have two different clauses in the same sentence. This is a complex sentence now. Let us analyze this sentence. Dogs bark is the principal clause when they see their master. The clause when they see their master cannot stand independently. It is dependent on the main clause dogs bark. This subordinate clause when they see their master is doing the work of adverb. It is speaking about the time of dogs barking. It is adverbial clause of time which is connected to the main sentence with the help of sentence synthesizer when. The subordinating conjunction when they see their master. Dogs bark when they see their master. So we can see that in a complex sentence there will be one principal clause and there can be one or more subordinate clauses. Let us go to a very typical complex sentence. The house that I live belongs to my father who is working in a factory. The subject part takes one subordinate clause. Predicate part takes another subordinate clause. Let us see it in detail. We have to find out the main clause or the principal clause first. The principal clause is split and put side by side with the subordinate clauses in this sentence. The house belongs to my father is the main clause of this sentence. That I live is adjective clause qualifying the house. Who is working in a factory is another adjective clause qualifying the word father. So there are three clauses in this complex sentence. Now let us see another scenario where subordinate clause takes another subordinate clause. I think that he destroyed the letter which you sent there. There are three clauses in this sentence. Which is the main or principal clause? I think this is the principal clause. That he destroyed the letter is a subordinate clause which is a noun clause doing the duty of a noun. It is object of the verb think. And the third one, which you sent there, it is an adjective clause. It is subordinate to the second clause qualifying the letter. Dear friends, it is to be made very clear that a complex sentence has only one principal clause. Of course, the subordinate clauses can be 1, 2, 3 or more. At least one will be there. But there will be only one principal clause or the main clause. We have completed general notions about complex sentences. In the last episode, we spoke about simple sentence. This one we covered complex sentences, and in the coming one, we will speak about compound sentences. I would request you to subscribe this channel for getting notification about the next video. See you next week to speak about compound sentences. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.